Meet Ned Nwanko's secret seventh wife-to-be, who's also a billionaire. Hello viewers, welcome to another video from Naija Gist. Today, we will be walking you through an interesting topic spreading on the internet right now. Just make sure you watch this video to the end. Smash the red button to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more interesting videos from Naija Gist. Ready to discover? Let's get right into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 wives. Wow. Regina Daniels wasn't wrong on this after all. Ned Nwanko has finally confirmed to be the King Solomon of our time, making his intention of getting his seventh wife known. Days after Regina Daniels likened Ned Nwanko to King Solomon, a strange woman shares beautiful photos of him. A beautiful Zambian woman in her late 30s or early 40s has shared some beautiful photos of herself and billionaire politician and lawyer Ned Nwanko on social media. This comes days after Ned Nwanko's sixth wife and actress Regina Daniels likened him to King Solomon, who had numerous wives and was the wisest ruler of all times. Prince Ned Money Nwanko, simply called Ned Nwanko for short, is a Nigerian lawyer and businessman. Prince Ned Nwanko also actively participates in politics and has served in the Federal House of Representatives between 1999 and 2003. He led a relatively quiet life behind the scenes, although not totally unknown before. He had remained largely out of the general public eyes until 2019, when he got married to Regina Daniels, a young Nigerian actress assumed by many to be in her late teens. Following his marriage to the Nollywood child star actress, Prince Ned Nwanko became very popular. However, his marriage to young Regina Daniels as one of his many wives is not all there is to know about the wealthy lawyer, businessman, and politician. Although Prince Ned was not an unknown person, he was really the center of media attraction, but it all changed following the then rumors that proved true that he was the person behind the expensive cars and other luxurious that his Nollywood child star wife, Regina Daniels, was flaunting on the internet. The rumors grew more intense with her posting more pictures of her sophisticated shopping trips outside the country. If there was ever a group that believed Regina Daniels was spending all that money from her purse, they ceased to exist after the announcement of her secret wedding to Nwanko. Tongues waggled over the age difference between Prince Ned Nwanko and his sixth or fifth wife, Regina. There is a statement credited to the billionaire where he said Regina Daniels was his fifth wife and not the sixth. So, we take that the former legislator is the authority on this one and will be using that number going forward. Again in October 2020, there were rumors that the Nigerian billionaire, politician, businessman, and legal expert Prince Ned Nwanko was engaged to be married to a seventh wife. Never mind that no one knows how many wives the polygamist has in reality. However, rumor has it that Nwanko, who had just made Regina Daniels his reportedly sixth wife in May 2019, was said to be already warming up for another one. The rumor surprisingly stemmed from Regina Daniels' Instagram posts. The actress had shared photos and videos of a lady named Sarah, who uses the Instagram handle @Saretal. In one of the photos, Sarah showed off an engagement ring and it was captioned "Wifey." Additionally, popular blogger Linda Ikeji reported that Sarah posted photos of herself using the same cars that Regina Daniels uses and videos of her in Ned Nwanko's house. Sarah's posts were later deleted. Insiders have also alleged that she will be going through the traditional marriage rites just like Regina Daniels, as Ned Nwanko allegedly believes in culture, the blog post alleged. However, after days of speculations and rumors, Regina Daniels came out to refute the claim that Ned Nwanko was picking a seventh wife. The news about Sarah being my husband's wife is completely false. She is my friend who came visiting, the actress said. Thus, according to Regina Daniels, her billionaire husband is not picking a new wife at this time. Although the seventh wife saga, Prince Ned Nwanko did not say anything. This is characteristic of the billionaire. He rarely makes public statements. This was not the first time that rumors of a seventh wife would come up. In September 2020, a blogger called Esther Sky had created a YouTube channel tagged Busy Vibes, where she posted a video claiming that Nigerian actress Chika Ike was set to marry Ned Nwanko. The video even showed a clip of Rita Daniels, Regina's mother, threatening the actress to leave her daughter's husband alone. Prince Ned Nwanko himself had come out to rubbish the claim. He said, "I have not spoken to Chika Ike in 2 years. I have not seen her. This is wicked. People should leave me and my family alone." Also, Rita Daniels too came forward to explain that the clip of her posted and the video on PZ Vibes was doctored. She had been singing an Igbo eulogy to God in the original video. Chika Ike herself claimed to have no knowledge of a pending wedding between herself and the billionaire. And now, the seventh wife story is taking another turn as one Zambian businesswoman surfaced on the internet shortly after Ned Nwonko's birthday. She's a Zambian, a sports person, and an owner of a mining company in Zambia, and named Phyllis Thompson. Phyllis was in the news recently, showing photos of her and Ned Nwonko surfaced online. In a post she shared about 5 days ago, she expressed her interest in a polygamous marriage for peace. She indicated that she would love to be happy in a polygamous marriage than to be in a marriage without peace. Regina Daniels' co-wife seems to be a business tycoon looking at a stand with her alleged husband Ned Nwonko. In a post cited on her Facebook page, she shared a photo of him with a lovely caption to wish him a belated birthday. Recall that the husband of Nollywood actress Regina Daniels celebrated his birthday a few days ago. His beautiful wives took to their social media platforms to celebrate him. They wished him a long life, appreciated his kind heart, and expressed an immense love for him. One message that got people talking was that of Prince Money's mom, Regina Daniels, addressing him not as a prince but as King Solomon. However, his seventh wife, Phyllis Thompson, could not wish him because her mom was buried on Ned Nwonko's birthday, and because his photos were not seen on Phyllis Thompson's Instagram handles, netizens have raised rumors of the two quitting the relationship. To clear the air, she has shared a photo of Ned Nwonko with an endless love message to trash claims of breakup. She appreciated him and expressed how much she loves him. Sharing a photo of him in which two fingers, presumably hers, appeared in it, Thompson tagged the billionaire as a love as she thanked him for his love and support. The message reads, "Happy birthday to my love. Sad to have buried my mom on your birthday. I know you understand, and thank you for all the love and support. Love you." Further sharing her photos, the Zambian businesswoman disclosed in a more keen manner that she would prefer to be in a polygamous marriage than tie herself to a man who is undeserving of her. Sharing a photo of her and Ned Nwonko in bed, holding hands tightly, Phyllis wrote, "I'd rather be in a polygamous relationship marriage and know my position and be loved, respected and protected than be in a relationship with one undeserving person who has zero respect for me and is connecting to every Wi-Fi sport then accusing me of infidelity. It's a fewer headache not to ask a man what he's doing. I'm just too busy working, making money, and being treated like a queen. I don't need anything more in life. I mind my own business and wait till he's in my custody. That when a man is all yours, when he's in your hands. Other than that, stop adding wrinkles to your face. It's not worth it. When you are busy doing the right things and progressing in life, you will have no time for drama." Regina Daniels, after facing backlash from her fans, came out to express her endless love for her 62-years-old husband. She cleared the air that whether last wife or not, she is still a happy wife and is with Ned Nwonko because of love. In the same vein, social media users have started raising questions about if Phyllis is also a virgin. She's a Zambian woman who heads a mining company and is also a sports person. Recall that Ned Nwonko disclosed in an interview that he married Regina Daniels because she was a virgin. This has raised an alarm to quiz him if his seventh wife-to-be is also a virgin since she is in her 30s. What is your take on this seventh wife debacle? Let us know in the comment section below this video. And if you found this video interesting, don't forget to smash the red button, share with your friends, hit the subscribe button and the bell button to get notified of our new videos. Just before you go, here are some amazing videos that you will surely find interesting. Until we meet again, keep getting updated with Naija Gist.
Freezing me head, and girl, I wonder where you get that formula. The way you slow and you make.
And that's it for today's gist. If you enjoyed this video, comment down below your thoughts. Give this a like, share with your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell to keep you updated for more latest celebrity news from Naija Gist.